Welcome to Career Crunch. So today's topic is what are the different types of software testing? Right. So first of all, before moving to the types of software testing, let's see what's meant by testing. So testing is nothing but the assurance given by the testers that this product is good enough with the quality, it has met the quality and requirement has been done for the given product and it can hit the market. So that is assurance given by the testers for this testing. Okay, so this testing has we know as two kinds of testing is there. One is for manual testing, is another one is for automation testing. So this both testing has good offers in the job market. Okay, if you see in the job market, we have four kinds of testings plays a huge role. So first one is API testing, next is UI, third one is performance testing, and the last one is security testing. So out of these four kinds of testing, UI testing has more job market comparing to other three kinds of things. So let's see what's meant by each testing and what are the tools used in it. Okay, right. So first, the API testing. The API testing is a kind of testing the software's application programming interface. This doesn't have any UI for the customers to test. Okay, the testers won't be testing the UI, rather than they will be testing the business logics which happens is behind the screen. Okay, so this can be done by using manually. They can use Postman tools, Postman or Yark. They can use SOAP UI, those kind of tools to perform the manual testing. So if you come for automation, we have SOAP UI, HTTP clients, REST assured. Those kinds of tools can be used for API testing. Right. So next one is UI testing. UI is nothing but a GUI, which is a graphical user interface. As I told you earlier, UI testing has a huge job market. The reason is this is the testing which happens. The way of testing is happens by the users used to see the in front of them as a web. Okay, so the assume as a customer is having like any customers, if you're for example you are using Flipkart or Amazon. Okay, Amazon something. Okay, so you used to purchase the products, or you used to order the product using the web. Okay, so those kind of testing is done in a web-based application has been tested, is called as UI testing. Okay, so this involves testing the links, menus, sanity checks, functional testing. Everything will be happening in the UI test. Okay, so if you come for automation tool, the automation tools are vast enough for this UI testing. Okay, so if you take QTP, UFT, Selenium, Sahi, Catalan, Coded UI, and also RPA tools like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Pega. We can tell lot of UI automation tools are present in the market. Okay, right. So next one is performance or load testing. So this is a nothing but a kind of testing where the testing the application with respect to the workload and response time, and what time the response gets triggered, and the reliability and scalability of the product. For example, assume as you are using a IRCTC site. Okay, at a one point of time, the millions or crores of users will be logging in it, and they will be performing, they will be booking the tickets. So those kind of things need to be checked for at that particular point of time. The system should not crash. Okay, server should not crash. It should be much enough to handle all the server time, and a load balance should be happen. So these kind of things should be done using the performance testing. Okay, right. So the automation tools used here is the JMeter, SOAP UI, Load Runner, etc. And also you can use UGen for this performance testing. Right. So the last testing is the security testing. This is the main testing which should be performed for each application. Okay, but I hope some small companies won't be following this, but big organizations will be following the security testing, since there should not be any loophole or any security related issue should not be in the application. So what they used to do is they'll be hiring the ethical hackers for this, and they will be responsible to perform these kinds of testing. Okay, so their way of job is to, their intention is to reveal the flaws in the security mechanisms and finding the vulnerabilities or weakness of the software applications. Okay, so the main tools used here is Vega, Z-Attack Proxy, Zap, and also a lot of more security testing tools are available in the market. Right, so these are the four kinds of testing involved in the software things. So main is API, UI, performance testing, and security testing. Okay, hope this helps you a lot. Okay, if you feel this video is useful for you, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.